on a leading soap opera show. His prospects are sunny and he's making lots of money, and all the papers love him to bits. He's bought a supermodel and he said it was a doddle, but he doesn't really care for the glitz. What a shame he's a no. What a shame he's a no. What a shame he's a big knob, knob in the knob face, gone on a cob. What a shame he's a no. What a shame he's a no. I met an intellectual with a penchant for the sexual and charisma coming out of his ears. He could quote Lord Byron while chatting up a siren with a wisdom far beyond his years. He found a cure for dengue while he was doing Wendy, and he didn't even break out a sweat. He wrote a holy canon while he was banging Shannon and was wondering becoming a vet. What a shame he's a no. What a shame he's a no. What a shame he's a big knob, knob in the knob face, gone on a go. What a shame he's a no. What a shame he's a no. Was a corker who was known to tell a polka. As a statesman he was always the best. He solved world hunger when he was even younger than his smooth Ginny chin would suggest. As a leader he was pucker, as a mate he was a mucker. He would lend you his last quid any day. He could charm the ladies, he could probably do a rave, but he was a mensch in every way. What a shame he's a no. What a shame he's a no. What a shame he's a big knob, knob in the knob face, gone on a go. What a shame he's a no. What a shame he's a no. What a shame he's a big knob, knob in the knob face, gone on a go. What a shame he's a no. What a shame he's a no. What a shame he's a